Hello everyone. Today we're going to be talking about using a trig function that's given to solve for other trig functions. To kind of get things started, let's go ahead and write out how we remember our trigonometric function. So SOHCAHTOA, right? So we have SOHCAHTOA, right? And in the problem, what we were given is sine of theta. So our angle is unknown, right? But it equals 12 over 13. So if we drew this out, we have our right angle here. We know that this is our theta. And we know that sine is opposite divided by hypotenuse. So for our opposite, it would be 12, which will go here. And then our hypotenuse is 13, which is opposite of the right angle. Now, first things first, what I want to do is solve for this b. We want to solve for this other side if we want to determine what tangent of theta is and cosine of theta, because each of them have adjacent. So what we can use is Pythagorean Theorem, which states that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And in this case, c is the hypotenuse length, and a and b are the other two lengths of the triangle. So we know that b is unknown, but we know what a is, which is 12 squared. So, and then we'll do plus b squared. And we know what c is, right? So 13 squared. Now, if we solve these out, we get 144 plus b squared equals 169. Now, from here, what we need to do is get b by itself. So I'm going to subtract 144 to the other side. So we're left with b squared equals 169 minus 144. And then from here, what we'll do is square root both sides to get rid of that squared. So that goes away, and we're left with b equals, and then 169 minus 144, take the square root of that, and you get the answer of 5. So from here, we know that this now equals 5, and we can solve for the rest. So if we do tangent theta first, we know that tangent is opposite over adjacent. So opposite is 12. Divided by our adjacent, which is 5. And then our cosine of theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. So we'll take our adjacent, which is 5, and divide it by our hypotenuse, which is 13. And those are our answers. Now, you can take this a step further, and potentially on like future assignments, you might be given like an actual like angle measure potentially, but we won't really go into that just yet. But hopefully that was a good primer for you for this concept. Other than that, I hope you have a great rest of your day and good luck in your course.